We aren't gonna get to her in time.
You won't be able to turn back. You're an alpha.
I can't let her die. I enjoyed that.
Enid? It was the only way to save you.